Welcome to a new video on Fix Bond channel. Today, a customer brought in a Midea induction cooker with a strange issue. The fan spins briefly, stops, then spins again. Usually, this means it's not detecting the pot, but there's no alarm sound. We need to check the detection, power regulation, temperature, and current detection circuits. I checked the pot detection resistor and the thermistor in DC. The thermistor is working fine as the resistance changes with touch. I tested the 820,000 ohms. Resistor and the 330,000 ohms. Resistors in the current detection circuit. All measured within normal range. Since external components seemed fine, I suspected the LM339 IC or the IGBT. Initially, the IGBT seemed okay on the board. After desoldering the IGBT and testing it properly, I found it had a soft breakdown, leaky, shorted. I replaced the faulty IGBT with a new one. A good IGBT should show a voltage drop of 0.5 volts to 0.7 volts on the diode test. Now the cooker is heating perfectly. Follow me for more repair tips.